Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to be swatching and reviewing the Huda Beauty Contour and Strobe Lip Set. This little set comes with 3 items. It comes with a lip liner, a matte liquid lipstick, and a lip strobe or like a lip gloss. With these 3 things, you're supposed to be able to create Huda's signature contoured lip look. They have several different shades available on the Sephora website. I got mine in the shade Trendsetter. Really pretty. It's an orangey nude color with some shimmer to it. The matte lipstick dries down to a almost like velvety feeling. When you apply the lip strobe on top of it, it adds some hydration. So I think that this is a really fun little set. I think that you could play around with these items quite a bit as well. Maybe try them out with some other lip colors that you have and just have a little fun with it. So if maybe you're not interested in this specific color, I would definitely check out the Huda Beauty website because they should have all of the colors there. I believe they have 5 different colors. On the Sephora website, they only have 3 colors. So if one of them that you like is not there, definitely try and check out the Huda Beauty website. But anyway, that is it for today's video. So if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel. But I will see you all in my next video. Bye!